Hello, it's July, and what that means is that it's the launch of our third edition of our special offers, quarter 3. Again, got a great range of products on special offer for the next 3 months. These include products like a bulk buy on the XL Rainer grease, common items like the horns, dormer drill bits, Jubilee clip dispensers, also parts from our ever-increasing access range. Great to take advantage of some of these on here, like the wheels, for example. And the others in here are aerosols with the machinery-specific colours. If you want to get those machines looking nice and tidy, then they are the answer for that. A few undercarriage parts as well, like top rollers and the bucket teeth and bolts, and it's also the season to be out there strimming, so we've got a range of strimmer and brush cutter heads and equipment available on offer too. So as you can see, there are great products in this quarter 3 offer sheet yet again from HTS. If you haven't got your copy yet, contact us and we can send one along. Alternatively, these are all on our website under the offers section. Thank you very much. We look forward to hearing from you.